What's the meaning of counseling? Counseling. Counseling.
Counseling. Counseling. Counseling refers to a professional relationship between a trained counselor and an individual seeking help or guidance.
Through counseling, the individual is able to discuss their concerns or problems in a safe and non-judgmental environment. The aim of counseling is to offer support and guidance that can empower the individual to work through their challenges and improve their mental health and well-being. Counselors use various techniques and approaches to assist the individual in exploring their thoughts and emotions, enhancing their self-awareness, and developing practical strategies for coping with their difficulties.